for marks. So your selection line is S1, S0. Then this is your output. So if it is 0, 0, you can transfer I0 to Y. Okay, so depending on this condition, you can send your inputs through the single output line. So you know the truth table which you have already studied in digital systems. Okay, now let us see. Using the conditional operator, how we can write the coding. So what is your output? Y input I. Okay. So always use this order. Output, selection line, input. Then, so what is your input? So yes is 1 is to 0. Yes. 3 colon 0. I. Then output Y. See here the whole thing you have to write in the order first output input. You can write it in any way. So you can here no need to follow the order. Okay, first you can write output, then one more input, then output input like that also you can write. It's not a problem here. Then assign statement. Assign Y is equal to see the truth table and you have to apply. Okay. So first is S of 1. First is S of 1. So if S of 1 is true, okay, so if S of 1 is true, then what you have to check? Whether S0 is 0 or 1. So if S0 is 1, S1 is 1, S0 is 1, then you have to I3 you have to give. Okay? If S1 is 1, S0 is 0, then you have to give I3. So how will you apply here? So if S of 1 is true, if S of 1 is true means if S of 1 is 1, then what you have to check? You have to check the S0 value. Okay? So whether it is true or false. So you have to check the S of 0 value. So S of 0 value. Okay? Then if S of 0 is true, that is S of 1 is true, S of 0 is true. Then what is your output? I of 3. Okay? If it is false, so if S of 1 is true, then S of 0 is false. Then what is your output? I of 2. Okay? So this is for S of 1 is true. Suppose if S of 1 is false, then colon. So again you have to check. See, if S of 1 is false, listen all of you. If S of 1 is false, you have to check again the S0 values. So again, like this you have to write. So if S of 1 is false, then what you have to write? You have to check the S of 0 value. So S of 1 is 0, then this is true. So this is 0, this is true. Okay, then what is our output? 0, 1 means false means